Welcome St. Joseph International School students. Hello Primary 4. Our lesson today is the perimeter of rectangle and square. First, we must know that the perimeter of any polygon is the sum of all side lengths. The sum of all side lengths. Okay? Add all the side lengths together to get the perimeter of any polygon. For the rectangle, its length 5 cm and width 3 cm. Look at the figure. We have rectangle, its length equal 5 cm and length and width equal 3 cm. The perimeter will be 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equal 16 cm. What do you need note here? Here we add 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. That means we add 2 lengths and 2 widths. Length plus width and length plus width. That means that length plus width repeated 2 times from this rule. We can say that perimeter equal length plus width times 2. This is the rule to get the perimeter of any rectangle. So we have 2 formulas to get the perimeter of rectangle. The first one is adding the 4 side lengths, and the other one is making length plus width times 2. So the perimeter here will be 5 plus 3 times 2, which equals 16. We will add 5 plus 3 first and then multiply them by 2. Okay, what about the square? For the square with side length 5 cm, and we know that the square has 4 side lengths, has 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. So the 4 sides will be equal 5 cm. To get the perimeter, we will add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 4 times because it has 4 sides. Okay, that means what? This is repeated addition. Repeated addition, we can replace it by multiplication. That means the side times 4. Side times 4. So the rule will be perimeter equal side length times 4. 5 times 4 equal 20 centimeters. Find the perimeter using 2 formulas. The first one, we have a square, its side length equal 9 centimeters. Yes, this is a square because the length equals the width. The 4 sides are equal. Formula 1, by adding the 4 side lengths. Perimeter equal 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. What about the formula 2? Using the rule, we said that the perimeter of a square equals side times 4, which equals 9 times 4 is equal 36. Exercise. Perimeter of a square is 24 centimeters. Side length of the square equal. To get the perimeter of a square, we make side length times 4. Okay, what about the inverse? If we have the perimeter and want to get the side length, here we will take the perimeter and divide it by 4. To get the side length of a square, we take the perimeter and divide it by 4. It will be 24 divided 4 equals 6 centimeters. Another one, find the perimeter of the following rectangle. We have this rectangle. Yes, its length equal 30 millimeter and width equal 60 millimeter. To get the perimeter using two formula, yes, the formula 1 using addition. We will add 30 plus 60 plus 30 plus 60. Okay? Because this side 30, so the opposite side will be 30 also. And this side 60, so the opposite side will be 60. So we have 30 plus 60 plus 30 plus 60, which equal 180 millimeter. Okay, what about formula 2? Formula 2, perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. The length is 30 plus width is 60, all times 2. That means we must add 30 plus 60 first and then multiply the answer by 2. 30 plus 60 equals 90. 90 times 2 equal 180 millimeter. Now we will talk about the area of rectangle and the area of square. The area of square equal side length times side length, because we said the square has 4 equal sides. The area of rectangle equal length times width. To get the area of the rectangle, we must multiply the length by the width. Okay? And for the square, the length and the width is the same. They are equal. So we will call it side length. So the area of square equals side length times itself. Find the area of the following. We have two figures or two polygons. The first one, its side length equals 7 centimeter. Here we have one length, 7 centimeters. That means this is a square. Okay, the area of a square equal side length times side length. So we will write the rule, and then area equal 7 times 7 equals 49 square centimeter. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equals length times width. Length here 8 by 3 equals 24 square centimeter, and take care from the measuring units here. There is not a centimeter, it will be square centimeter. Yes, because this is area, and the measuring unit of the area is square centimeter or square meter, square millimeter. We must put the word square. Look at this exercise. Area of rectangle whose dimensions are 3 centimeters and 8 centimeters equals Here I have the word dimensions, and dimensions means the two lengths, which are length and width. Length and width. That means that we have a rectangle, its length equal 3 centimeter or 8 centimeter, and its width equal 3 centimeter. Okay, there is no problem. Anyone is called the length and anyone called width. So we will make 3 times 8 is equal 24 square centimeter. The next one, if the area of rectangle equal 40 square centimeter and its length equal 5 centimeter, find its width. Yes, be careful. Here we have the area of rectangle already, okay? And we want to get the width. We will draw this figure, okay? to help you for getting the area of the length or the length or the width. Make this triangle and put area up and length and water down. Okay. To get the area here, you must hide a area. So area equal length times width. Length times width. What about if we have area and we want to get the length? The length is unknown. What will we do? We will hide the length. So the length will be equal area divided width. Okay, if we want to get the width, we will hide the width. So the width will be equal area divided length. Okay. Now in this problem we want to calculate the width of the rectangle, and the width equal, yes, from the figure here, width equal area divided length. So we will write width equal 40 divided 5 equal 8 centimeter. Another one, we have here a rectangle, its length equal 15 centimeter and its width is unknown. We don't know the width of this rectangle, but we know the perimeter here equal 44 meter. What will we do to get the width of this rectangle? We know that perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Okay, if we want to get the length plus width, we will divide the perimeter divided 2, because the perimeter equal length plus width and length plus width. Okay, so length plus width equal perimeter divided by 2. The length plus width equal البريمتر اللي هو 44، يبقى 44 divided 2 which equal 22. To get the width, what will we do? We have the length and the width together is 22, but we have the length equal 15. What will we do to get the width? We will subtract 15 from 22, so the width will be 7 centimeters. Another exercise, square its perimeter is 32 centimeter. Find its area. We will use this figure to help you to keep the rule. We said before that the perimeter of square equal side length times 4. So we will put the perimeter up and side and 4 down. Perimeter equal, to get the perimeter we make side length times 4. Okay, to get the side length, yes, we will divide the perimeter divided 4. Side length equal perimeter divided 4, 32 divided 4 which equal 8 centimeter. And you want to get the area also. The area of a square equal side length times side length, and we get the side length equal 8, so we will make 8 times 8 equal 64 square centimeter. Okay, you note that here's the side length, its measuring unit is centimeter, but the area is square centimeter. Another problem, find the unknown side length based on the area given. Here I have the area of rectangle. The area is 28 square centimeter, and we have the length equal 7 centimeter, and the width is unknown. We want to calculate its area, its width, sorry. Okay, we know that the area of rectangle equal length times width. And to get the width, yes, we will divide the area divided length. It will be 28 divided 7 will equal 4 centimeter. Complete the following. The perimeter of a square equals, yes, we didn't have here any numbers, okay? So here we want to write the rule, only write the rule. The perimeter of a square equal side length times side length. Sorry, this is the perimeter. The perimeter of a square is equal side length times 4. Letter B, the perimeter of rectangle equal, yes, here also we want to write the rule. And the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width times 2. The half perimeter of rectangle, yes, the perimeter of rectangle length plus width twice times 2. So the half of perimeter will be length plus width. Letter D, the perimeter of a square of side length 5 centimeter equals, here we want to calculate the perimeter of a square, and we said before that the perimeter of a square is equal side length times 4. So we will multiply 5 times 4. First you will write the rule and then substitute. Yes, side length equal 5, so we will write 5 times 4 equal 20 centimeter. The next one, the perimeter of the rectangle with dimensions 6 centimeter and 4 centimeters equals dot. We said before that the dimensions means the length and the width. Here we have rectangle, its length equal 6 centimeter and its width equal 4 centimeter. What will we do to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle? Yes, write the rule first. Perimeter equal length plus width times 2. And the length equal 6 and width equal 4. So it will be 6 plus 4 all times 2 equal 20 centimeter. The next one, the side length of a square whose perimeter is 28 centimeter is, to get the side length of square, yes, write the rule first. We said the perimeter equals side times 4, but the inverse, the side equal perimeter divided by 4. So we will write side length equal perimeter divided 4 equal 28 divided 4. So the answer will be 7 centimeter. The last one, the area of a square equal, yes, here we will write the rule of the area of a square, which is side length times side length, or you can write side length times itself. Thank you for your listening and goodbye.